located in 23 coastal provinces in Thailand. These forests used to cover 358,000 hectares in Thailand in 1961, but the area dropped to 240,000 hectares by 2002. The major causes of the loss of mangrove forests are timber and charcoal industries. While some areas were converted for urbanization, agriculture, and aquaculture, especially shrimp farms. In 2004, a 5-year action plan for mangrove management in the Gulf of Thailand was established to preserve mangrove forests, as well as to promote the sustainable use of mangrove resources. There are 24 species of mangrove trees in Thailand. Mangrove forests provide both food and shelter for many living organisms. The soil in a mangrove forest is similar to that of a tropical rainforest. This is because the nutrients in the soil are very close to the surface. In both rainforests and mangrove forests, the trees have a very shallow root system. The tangled roots of mangrove trees provide shelter for small fish from bigger fish. The little fish go into the root system to keep from getting eaten. This allows the little fish to survive to become bigger fish. So these bigger fish then try to catch other little fish. The little fish, of course, then swim into the roots to keep away from the big guys. Mangrove forests are the breeding grounds for hundreds of fish. Many of these fish species are very important to the commercial fishermen. Most of the fishermen begin their daily activities gathering and harvesting natural resources from mangrove forests, including shrimps, mollusks, crabs, fish, etc. They recognize the value and importance of mangrove forest ecosystems as the food production plant of the land of abundance, which can be harvested sustainably throughout their lives without any investment. Mangrove trees also help filter out sediment from the water. In other words, the clear water in the southern end of Phang Bay is dependent on the mangrove in the northern end of the bay. Sediment prohibits light from penetrating as deep through the water. Coral is adversely affected by sediment in the water. Therefore, if the mangrove in the north is cut down, the coral in the south is in danger of dying. For the regeneration of mangrove forest, it is not necessary to spend money buying seedlings or saplings. By nature, once the mangrove seeds drop from trees, the seeds can take root in muddy soil and grow up. Mangrove seeds also can float and be carried to other parts of forest by tides and sea currents. Mangrove forest is vital resources for a healthy coastal ecosystem, counted as combined sources of biodiversity of plant and animal species. They render great benefit to human existences, society, and economy of the community and the nation as a whole. In mangrove forest, mangrove trees look as if they go on stilts. The stilts are their specialized aerial roots holding the trunk above the water and protecting coastlines from erosion. These roots act as a natural wall buffering storm, while protecting coastal residents and properties from damage. The complex and corded roots of mangrove trees are like filters that effectively absorb toxic wastes, store sediments, and screen waste from environment. This would significantly reduce water pollution, which is one of the most serious environmental problems facing Thailand today.